I can imagine that the idea to occupy military a portion of a land has as main objective to annex the territory. Otherwise, the other reason why you would do it is security reasons, where you can say, you know, the state is not effectively protecting the security of our population, and then they sort of step in and say, we're taking care of the security situation without the idea underlying to actually annex the territory. I don't know, but that's roughly the two reasons why you could imagine that a state occupies a portion of the territory of another state.
But it also depends on the extent of the military presence there. Like, how many troops are we talking about?
They built a new base, and they follow even our military personnel when they go into the river. Yeah. They stop Belizeans and the media. We've documented it and tell them to go back or check in Guatemala before we traverse into what is our side.
Yeah, so they're controlling the territory.
And the Belize boundary is at the Talweg of the
Talweg, yeah.
Right, which is on the northern channel, the deepest channel. The deepest navigable channel is the end of Belize's territory. They're constantly crossing that in ways to intimidate towns.
Yeah.
But that's exactly a situation where the involvement of the court could help. That's what I wanted to say. I don't know if it's...
Yeah, exactly the same point.
I can think of other cases where the situation, of course, is factually very different, but there were troops of one state in a territory which was disputed by two states, and the court involvement was to, for example, create a demilitarized area, and the troops of the two states left, and in that sense, the court action was very effective, or most recently in the dispute between Costa Rica and Nicaragua around Isla Portillos, Nicaraguan military personnel had built a military encampment on Isla Portillos, which they claimed as Nicaraguan territory, and Costa Rica claimed as Costa Rican territory. And Costa Rica filed a request for what we call provisional measures. That is, the judgment is, of course, going to take a long time before the dispute is finally settled. So in the interim, they asked the court to order some measures of protection, and the court ordered the troops to leave the area.